Welcome to V.I Tech Academy, where accessibility meets innovation.
Hello guys, a few days ago, one of my friend asked me about an AI tool that can convert any text to audio with proper emotions and interesting voices also. I told him to use Google Gemini, NVIDIA's native speech NVIDIA add-on because I have already made those videos and you can also watch those videos from our channel. But he told me that no, he actually does not like Google's voice, or he wants something different. He actually likes the ChatGPT's voice, those voice we are using in ChatGPT, or those voice we are using in other software such as Tech Freedom for converting text to audio from OpenAI. So I said that actually there is no free tool for that, but today I found a tool that will help you to convert your text into audio files using high quality voices of OpenAI. Because OpenAI has recently launched a new platform through which you can use their high quality human-like TTS voices to read any text you want. And now it is absolutely free of cost. You can enjoy this service at free of cost. So after watching this video, try it now. I'm recording this video on September 24th, 2025. So I don't know when it will be paid, but before it will be paid, please try it out after watching this video. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the new platform launched by OpenAI. So are you excited, guys? Watch the video till the end. My name is Ratul and I'm a host for today's video. If you are interested to learn Reaper from basic to intermediate level, then this is the right time for you. Because in October 2025, V.I Tech Academy is gonna start the next batch of getting started with Reaper, where you can learn what is Reaper, how to set up Reaper, how to set up screen reader essentials, shortcuts, how to record, master, how to mix with background music, how to add effects such as delay, reverb, equalization, and much more. For more details, check out our website or visit us on our WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel. To use this tool, open your browser,
start new tab, Google Chrome window, new tab,
and type OpenAI.fm.
OpenAI.fm unselected.
Press enter.
FM, OpenAI.fm selected. OpenAI.
And it will take you to this page.
OpenAI.fm, Google Chrome.
This page has the feature which I'm going to talk about. I'm using down arrow.
Clickable banner landmark, an interactive demo for developers that try the new text-to-speech model in the OpenAI API. Though
this is only for the developers, right now it's completely free. I don't know when it will be paid, but it is especially for developers to try out the new TTS before using their API. So if you want, you can also use as a user.
Link start building.
So if you want to press enter here, start building, then you will be redirected to this API pages. There you can get the API keys and all. Though you need to purchase that, I think.
Switch off.
But I'm going down.
Main landmark voice.
Voice. So below voice, you will find these voices.
Button alloy.
So alloy. This is a voice.
Button ash.
This is another voice.
Button ballad. Button choral. Button echo. Button fable. Button onyx. Button nova. Button sage. Button shimmer. Button verse. Button select vibe. Button pirate. Button select random voice. So here you can choose select random voice. If you just press enter here, so select the random voice will be happen. Vibe. Next you need to choose the vibe. Button pirate. Button sincere. Button fitness instructor. Button serene. Button dramatic. Button generate new list of vibes. So from here you can generate new list of vibes. Edit required multi-line voice, deep and rugged, with a hearty, boisterous quality like a seasoned sea captain who's seen. Out of edit required main landmark. So here you can give the instructions to the voice, how this voice will interact with you. With your text. Many voyages, bland tone, friendly and spirited, with a sense of. Next you need to tell about the tone within the same edit box. Like slang, dialect, classic pirates, like part of a grand lang, dialect, class. Next you have to
mention the dialect,
blank,
which I'm not going to change.
Pronunciation, rough and exaggerated with.
Next, you have to mention the pronunciation.
Rise blank, features, uses playful pirate slang.
Then features.
See out of edit script. Edit
now,
required out of edit script.
Then script.
Edit multi-line ahoy there, traveler ye of secure air lodging like a true seafarer, and I be here to confirm. Edit multi.
See, this is a sample script. So now I'm just playing the script. So to go get the play button, just I'm pressing B.
Content and share but play button.
So I'm playing it.
Busy.
Ahoy there, traveler! Ye've secured your lodging like a true seafarer, and I be here to confirm your stay. Arr, ye be booked at the Golden Anchor Inn, checking in on the 12th of the month and setting sail on the 15th. Ye got a deluxe ocean view cabin, fit for a captain, with a king-size bunk.
Okay, so this is a voice. Now I'm just going to change the voice.
Ballot button.
So let me choose this voice.
Edit required multi-line voice. Deepen edit multi-line ahoy there. Traveler ye of content and share but play button.
Let me play this.
Busy.
So that you will understand the idea.
Ahoy there, traveller! Ye've secured your lodging like a true seafarer, and I be here to confirm your stay. Arr, ye be booked at the Golden Anchor Inn.
Okay, so now I'm just generating some other
button generate
vibes.
new list of vibes. Button Santa. Button chill surfer. Button connoisseur. Button calm. Button true crime buff vibe. Button spot.
So
Button chill surfer. Button Santa.
More.
Button generate new edit required out of. Button old timey. Button fitness instructor. Button bedtime story. Button noir detective vibe. Button medieval not. Button old timey. Button fitness instructor. Button generate new list of vibes. Button bedtime story. Button calm. Button true crime buff. Button noir detective. Button emo teenager vibe. Button true crime buff. Button cheerleader. Button cowboy. Button friendly. Button calm. Button friendly.
So let's select this friendly, and I'm choosing the Nova voice.
Man may ash but ballad choral echo fable bonics but Nova button. Edit required
now,
multi-line. Edit multi-line. Hello, I'll help you get to your favorite coffee shop. Edit hello at blank.
Replace with my own text, and now let's play.
Content and share but play button. Busy.
If you are enjoying my voice, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe to V.I Tech Academy for interesting videos.
So this is the voice which you get, Nova's voice. This is very okay. It's good voice. And now if you want, you can download from here also.
No next button. Share play button. No next button. Share download button.
Yes, this is a download button. So if you want, you can download this as an audio file. Same pressing
Save
enter.
as dialog. File name. Combo box. Open it.
Okay. Now I have created one story. So let's
the river that's 20.
Just go back to the tool and paste that story and choose the bedtime stories vibe.
Main true crime buff button. Cheerleader button. Cow friend calm but friend cow true crime generate new button calm button sincere button chill button fitness and vibe. Button calm button generate editor out of it button calm button sincere button chill surfer button bedtime story.
Okay, I'm choosing this, and now I'm just keeping the same voice.
Click echo fable bonics button over button. Edit required multi-line effect. A gentle, curious narrate. Edit multi-line. Subscribe to V if you are blank.
Now I'm pasting the story.
The river that.
And now I'm playing it.
And share but play button. Busy.
Let's see whether it's playing or not.
The river that sang. When I was very young, my grandfather used to tell me that every river had a song, but only a few people had the patience to hear it. I didn't quite understand what he meant until one summer evening, when the air was warm and the stars had just begun to scatter across the sky. I had wandered down to the river that curled behind our village. It was a river everyone knew, sometimes loud and rushing, sometimes calm and glassy. That night, it was quiet.
It's really amazing. The voice is really amazing and the emotion is also perfect. So now if you want, you can download this also, as I have already described. So I hope you have enjoyed this tool. So use this tool and let me know in the comment section about your feedback. For more interesting videos like this, subscribe to V.I Tech Academy YouTube channel. Don't forget to join us on WhatsApp and Facebook as well as Telegram. If you have any question, ask in the comment section. That's it for today's tutorial. See you in the next tutorial soon. Till then, bye bye.